Easter is the perfect time of year for making a flower arrangement. Everything is full of spring bounty. It's wonderful with all the bright yellow colours and the creams. I'm going to show you how to make a simple hand-tied posy, which will make a perfect Easter table decoration. All you need to do is to get the flowers prepared, clean the stems, remove any lower leaves, any branches that are getting in the way, strip those down. Get everything into little sections, into little groups, so you're ready to work it. Then begin by getting a piece of clumpy foliage. Place the straight stems of flowers into that foliage, twisting the stems round in one direction. Every time you add a stem, turn it a little, then replace it with the second stem. Once it's complete, grab some string, raffia or twine, bind it down tightly where you've held it, cut the stems short, arrange into a glass vase, a ceramic container, or maybe even a lined basket. Why not add in a few little Easter eggs for a bit of fun? Daffodils to me are all about Easter, and this fragrant posy is perfect to make an Easter table arrangement. Why not have a go yourself and pick some daffodils from the garden and get creative? For more ideas for growing bulbs for cutting in the garden, why not visit the RHS website? It's a feast of information, and there's bulbs that flower throughout the year, not just daffodils.